Herbal Eye Serum Recipe. This Herbal Eye Serum recipe helps fight wrinkles, puffiness and dark circles in your under-eye skin. The herbs infused in olive oil help with skin regeneration and are filled with nutrients that nourish your skin. This serum is made only with 3 ingredients: rosehip seed oil, herbal infused olive oil, and vitamin E oil. It's great for your eye skin, but it can also be used anywhere in your face. Frankincense essential oil is soft to your skin and gives this eye serum a lovely scent, but it's optional. Ingredients for 1 roll-on tube of 5 ml. 1 ml extra virgin olive oil infused in calendula, plantain, and rosemary. 2 ml rosehip seed oil. 1 ml vitamin E oil or tocopherol. 0.1 ml or 2 drops of essential oil frankincense. Equipment: 1 pipette or measuring spoons. 1 empty roll-on tube of 5 ml, preferably dark amber. Olive oil infused in calendula and plantain has important moisturizing and regenerative properties. Rosehip seed oil is a well-known anti-aging oil, filled with vitamin A and other nutrients that help your skin with wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin E oil is an excellent antioxidant, helping with free radicals damage. These great oils are sensitive to light and air oxidation. It's important that your roll-on tube protects its content from light, with dark glass or a paper label. It's important that you disinfect your equipment and containers before starting the recipe. Use a solution of water and bleach. All equipment must be clean and dry. Make your infused oil in advance. Better use around 5 ml from a previously made batch. Use calendula, plantain, and/or rosemary with olive oil. Measure your 3 oils with a pipette with scale or a measuring spoon, the smallest one. You can use a drop or 2, count 20 drops for 1 ml. Add 2 drops of frankincense essential oil. Resist the temptation to add more, as 1 drop is around 1% of the serum content. Close the roll-on tube. Then give it a good shake to mix the oils inside. When in use, the roll-on will need to be used a few times before spreading the oils efficiently. Enjoy our Herbal Eye Serum. You may also use it in your face.